Having social skills is a crucial part to living a good life. If you want a good job, your dream girlfriend, and even getting certain opportunities in life, you need relatively good social skills. But there's one social skill that's underused and overlooked in most social interactions that you and I ignore. And it's so subtle and easy to miss that if you're a huge yapper like me, you'll miss it. And I mean, I do have a degree in yapponology, so listen up. And this overlooked social skill is called listening. Ta-da! Yes, it's listening. And most people have terrible listening skills that they never develop, making conversations feeling overwhelming and boring. So now that you're made aware of this, I'm gonna teach you how to maximize this hidden gem of social skills. And we'll first start with the importance of listening. So here's the thing I need you to understand, bro, when you're going about your day-to-day business, whether it be you're at the gym, work, or even school. You need to learn how to listen to people when they're talking. You need to learn to talk less and listen more, because there's nothing that kills an interaction quicker than just yapping away. Like, let me ask you a question. How many times have you gone into a conversation and you're trying to make your own point, but then the other person just keeps talking over you, not even giving you a chance to talk? That's a great example of having terrible listening skills. Like, if there's one thing I observed from like watching people interact to get some type of like idea of how social interactions work, because I am weird like that, I'll notice that a lot of people are terrible listeners. It might even be your own friends or parents, you know what I mean? And so, bro, by me telling you this, you got to understand that human beings inherently love to be heard and listened to. Like, for example, the most successful people that you probably look up to have relatively good social skills or listening skills. They're just attentively listening with their eyes and ears. Nothing's flooding in their heads of anything irrelevant. They just focus on what that person is saying, and as a result, they can respond in an appropriate manner that's conducive to what the person is saying.
You have my undivided attention.
Okay, now, the PS4 is more angular and sleek looking.
No way!
It's true, but the larger size of the Xbox One may keep it from overheating.
You wouldn't want your gaming system to overheat?
No, see, well, you absolutely would not. And furthermore, the Xbox One now comes with a Kinect included.
Included?
Yes!
Versus if you look at the other side where there's terrible listeners.
Lately, every person I deal with seems to disappoint me. Every meeting starts late, every answer is misleading, every deadline is ignored, and all work is shoddily done. I guess what I'm saying is that today, I need some empathy.
You are totally blocking my view of the wall.
And now that you've seen the two examples of one person that listens attentively and one person that just yaps away, you clearly see who the other person likes better. And when people feel as though you're a better listener, they associate that with someone who's a better conversationalist. I know that sounds weird, but because when you hear like conversationalist, you obviously think like someone who's just talking and talking and talking. To a degree, yes, but it's like you listen to that person and then you respond, rather than you just yapping away about nonsense and something that's not relevant whatsoever. So whenever you do say something, it's gonna hold more weight versus if you're just yapping along for no reason. And bro, for those of you who want to get relatively good with girls or even talking to girls, you gotta learn to like stop yapping as much, because if you're autistic like me, you're gonna end up saying something stupid eventually that's gonna rub her off. But listening will get you very far, especially if you're on a date with a girl. Like, let her do like 80% of the talking and then you just do 20% of the responding, unless you have something important to say or you want to have a conversation going back and forth where it's relatively good, but still don't talk over the person. That's the main point. And I've used this so many times, and it's incredibly life-changing and changed all types of social dynamics in whatever scenario I'm in. And it's cultivated me friendships, it's cultivated me like certain opportunities, and just overall improved my life. And I actually learned this from a book, one of the best books, by the way, How to Win Friends and Influence People. They talk about the art of listening, and bro, listening will get you far. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, this video is fairly short. That brings us to the end. If you found value from this, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Dream big and take action. I'm gonna see you guys. Peace.